If your Mega account is starting to fill up with files and random folders, a little organization can make a huge difference. In this guide, I'll show you how to manage files in Mega like a pro, including organizing folders, moving files, searching, renaming, and keeping everything under control. Yeah, let's clean things up. Start by creating a simple folder structure. For example, you could have folders for documents, photos, videos, projects, and backups. Keep the top level clean and place related files inside their matching folders. The goal is to make everything easy to find later. Next, use clear and consistent file names. Instead of something like Final2 or Document New, use names that tell you exactly what the file contains. You can click a file and choose the rename option, then enter a descriptive name. This makes searching much easier. To organize existing files, select the items you want to move and choose the Move option, then select the destination folder. You can group related files together instead of leaving everything in one large folder. So, if you have hundreds of files, doing this in small batches makes the process much easier. When you need something specific, use Mega's search feature instead of scrolling through every folder. Enter part of the file name or a useful keyword and review the matching results. If you regularly work with lots of files, this can save a ton of time. Next, pay attention to files you've shared with other people. Keep shared content in clearly labeled folders and review sharing settings when something is no longer needed. For important files, consider keeping an organized backup structure as well. Good organization is also about knowing what should and shouldn't be shared. Finally, regularly clean out files you no longer need. Look for duplicate downloads, outdated projects, temporary files, and old backups. Move anything you want to keep but rarely use into an archive folder, and delete files that are genuinely unnecessary. Just make sure you don't remove something important by mistake. And that's how to manage your Mega files like a pro. Use a clear folder structure, rename files properly, move related items together, search instead of scrolling, review shared content, and clean up regularly. Once you build these habits, finding the right file becomes much faster.